Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kuble fi baro henen ka shtang sngi jongka arson tarik ulber haplau ka school ba NEHU kaladon ka ji kno pat ka jin sha sho vice president ka NEHUSU nama ka jingleh niam ta rong Holi ya kabala suba da ka kanhun akhil bharatiya vidharti parishad AVBP Vice President ka NEHUSU ubala shasho hakibro bam ithu u istarson sotun usamla sotun u yathu ba ladon shikan hun kibala sho ya uba la mensau malu mala na kalyang kinoyalam ka student organization ka akhil bharatiya vidharti parishad AVBP hanne ka sngi kala kanta halor ka jinsha kno ba ki dakhat ki donkti ban penklumar ya ka jingleh kamen Holi hapo ka school ba North Eastern Hill University NEHU kamde ka jin shisha ha ka ba yakran sha gila pathai kubor ha ka Shillong Press Club.
Before starting the program, they have called to the security to come to the spot and told them that there is something going to happen during the celebration. That means they have made a pre-plan. We can understand that.
No, you said that you.
So we didn't see that.
Actually, from this point of view, we were saying that in the Holi, there were some outsiders who came to, so it's because of that.
Actually, he thought that Kamlesh Singh is also from the outsider, but he is studying in IGNO, but IGNO is inside the NEHU. Okay, so I think even Chatsura, Bedenklam, or like a Christmas celebration also, everyone can come. Even from side, from SOT, from any department, they can come together and celebrate the program. So he thought that Kamlesh ji is from outside, he is not studying. So that's why we don't know, we didn't see that who is attacked first, okay, for that, because we are busy in the celebration of the Holi program. So that's why after that, because we are celebrating in that program, okay. So if someone is fighting there, so we have to control them. So that's why he also controlled them, but he didn't touch him. He didn't fight with him. So we don't know. Actually, he already told before that. Even security also tell us that before they get a call from the NEHUSU only. So they came, but there will be something will happen there. So it means they have some plan. We didn't call the security, but the place we have that program, even they have another place. But why they came to our place to do that means the bad thing.
And also they bought some materials like stones, hammer to attack us. Everyone shows that they are trying to attack with the hammer. Everyone shows that. Everyone can witness that. Even security also. And he was saying that he got injured. At the time of coming back, he riding bike. I saw him with my own eyes. He cannot say that he got injured and he was hospitalized. And he was showing that his torn t-shirt, right? So it was not correct, we can say. That time to okay everything.
So can you tell us how many want to attack him?
No.
He's already filed FIR against him. So what's your say on that?
Kamlesh, because they had made a pre-plan to attack during the celebration. Because security was also 4 guys who are fighting.
So they were carrying materials with him.
Even like that which we make a building. So he even try to beat that one person. So that time we have to save, because in our program they came to do this thing. So we have to save. So that's why we saved them.
Now how can he say that we attack them first? What logic they are using? If they bought material like this, nobody can believe that. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.